Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to uninstall and reinstall Copilot from your Windows 11. Okay, so from everywhere. So for this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to search Copilot. This method will helps you to uninstall Copilot from Windows 11, and here you can get the option uninstall. In case the option is not showing here, open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open the settings with the help of the shortcut key and go to apps and go to install apps like this. Okay, and here guys, scroll down and find out Microsoft Copilot and extend this, and from here you can also able to uninstall it from your Windows 11. Okay, so in case now if you want to install it back, so for this guys you need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC, and here you need to search Copilot like this, and once again download and install it from here if you want to reinstall it. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to uninstall and reinstall Copilot on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.